What does compassion mean to you?
Empathizing with someone that you are in direct contact with. So having empathy towards them.
What kind of associations come to mind when you think of compassion?
When I think of compassion, I think of that care that a mother provides to her child, or that interaction that a nurse has with their patient, or that interaction that a friend has with another friend.
Okay. What kind of situations do you think of when you think of compassion?
When I think of compassion, I think of someone that's suffering from pain, that either needs someone to help them, be compassionate towards them, to understand that their pain is individual and it might be individually reflected, and that they're able to help them with that.
What kind of emotions are connected to compassion?
I think in order to be compassionate, you have to have respect for that person that you are being compassionate towards, or even simple as caring.
How important is compassion in your nursing care?
I think that compassion is important, and that's why we ask our patients to conduct surveys. How was the nurse compassionate towards you? Was the hospital compassionate towards you? Or we ask them to rate our level of ability to show them compassion. So in nursing individually, I think it's important because the characteristics of a nurse, it's encompassed with compassion.
How do you show compassion?
I think I show compassion with actions, even what I say, the fact that I'm able to listen.
Okay. Do you feel compassion should be taught in nursing school?
I'm hoping that the reason why some nurses start attending nursing school is because they do wish to show compassion. I would say that, seeing that not all nurses in nursing school even have compassion, I think that it could be something that's touched on, yes.
What happens when there's no compassion and care?
I feel when there's no compassion, that's the possibility of so many things going wrong. I mean, patients come to us in the hospital because they know that we will care for their needs. And if they don't have that feeling, there probably would be no need for them to come to the hospital setting.
Was compassion shown to you through care?
Compassion was shown to me through care.
How did that make you feel?
It made me feel that I had some type of self-worth, or that I was valuable to that person that showed me compassion.
Okay. Have you ever seen no compassion in the nursing field?
I have. Without mentioning specific hospitals, I want to say that I have seen the lack of compassion between some nurses towards each other. And that means either nurses going back and talking with a patient negatively about another staff member, or another nurse not performing specific activity for their patient, for another nurse coming on in a shift. The simple aspect of nurses not respecting their profession, which means not holding themselves to such regard that they even show compassion to their patient, because by not doing that, then they kind of scar the whole name of a nurse.
Okay, well, thank you very much for being part of our project. And, thank you.
Thank you. Good luck.